Northern Japan is battling a fast-spreading wildfire crisis, and the situation is becoming increasingly dangerous. In Iwate Prefecture's Otsuchi town, flames have been raging across forested mountains, pushing closer to residential areas with every passing hour. Authorities have issued evacuation orders for more than 2,500 people, forcing families to leave behind their homes as the fire advances. What began as multiple small fires has now turned into a large-scale disaster. The blaze has already scorched hundreds of hectares of land, with some reports suggesting it could be approaching over 1,000 hectares, making containment extremely difficult. Strong winds and dry conditions are fueling the flames, allowing the fire to spread rapidly across steep terrain. Firefighters are in a race against time. Hundreds of emergency personnel, along with helicopters and support from Japan's self-defense forces, are working relentlessly, dropping water from the air and battling the flames on the ground. But the fire remains largely uncontained. Several buildings have already been damaged or destroyed, and thick smoke now blankets parts of the region, reducing visibility and increasing risks for both residents and rescue teams. For locals, the scenes are terrifying. Flames creeping down hillsides, forests crackling under intense heat, and entire communities forced to evacuate under emergency warnings. Officials say the coming hours are critical. If weather conditions worsen, the fire could spread even further, putting more lives, homes, and infrastructure at risk. This region has faced disasters before, but once again, nature is testing its resilience. For now, the priority remains clear: protect lives, contain the fire, and prevent a larger catastrophe. The situation is still developing.